Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this episode of Adventures in the Pocket Portal, we are going to take a look at one of the new additions to the roster of Disney Junior shows, The Lion Guard. The Lion Guard follows the adventures of Keon, a young lion who, along with his friends, goes on adventures while protecting the Pride Lands. No, they protect the Pride Lands from natural disasters, which is kind of an interesting take on the whole protector of the environment thing. And although I personally am not the biggest fan of spin-offs, this one is actually quite good, even better than I thought it would be. The rest of the main cast also does a great job with their respective roles, and the writing is surprisingly good for a kids show. Every episode has an overarching moral without being too preachy about it, something that I think is very important in children's entertainment. But I suppose it works. He's small, yet brave, and is often the comic relief of the group. There's also Fuli the cheetah Besht, the hippo and Ono, the kite tail. Basically, the series starts off with Keon being born and then immediately gets into the action. You don't really see his childhood, which is kind of a shame, but it makes sense considering the tone of the series. It's fun, it's exciting, and it has a great message. If you have a kid in your life who likes The Lion King, then I think they will enjoy this show. I give The Lion Guard a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. It's a great show that I think both kids and parents can enjoy. The voice acting is superb, the animation is great, and the music is catchy. The only reason why I didn't give it a 5 out of 5 is because it doesn't really fit in with the Lion King canon, but that's just me being nitpicky. Overall, it's a great show. All of them are very unique and have distinct personalities. It's really cool to see these characters at such a young age, and it really makes you wonder how they became the way they did. Now, when I say protecting the Pride Lands, I don't mean from poachers or hyenas or anything like that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. Also, if you have a show that you want me to watch, put it in the comments down below. And as always, remember to keep an eye on my channel for new videos every Friday. Until then, take care. And that you should always be respectful to other people's opinions, even if you don't agree with them. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion, and that's what makes discussions about TV shows and movies so fun. The series takes place between The Lion King 1.5 and is a spin-off of sorts of The Lion King S, Timon and Pumbaa. The voice acting is superb with Joshua Rush doing an amazing job as the young Lion King. The animation is what you would expect from a Disney animated show, colorful, fluid, and pretty on the eyes. The music is also quite catchy. Found myself humming the theme song after hearing it just once. And even though it might seem like a lot, the episodes are only 11 minutes long, so it's not that bad. So far, the series has 2 seasons with a total of 65 episodes. If you go into the show expecting to see the same thing as The Lion King, then you might be a bit disappointed. But if you can accept that this is its own story taking place in the same universe, then I think you'll be fine. There are a lot of cool characters introduced in the series, but I think my favorite has got to be Bunga, the honey badger. My biggest problem with the show is that it tends to stray away from the whole Lion King formula that we all know and love. I mentioned earlier that the series takes place between Lion King 1.5, but I didn't really explain what that means. Also, because the series takes place between the original movie and the sequel, you get to see some characters from the sequel as cubs. Overall, I think The Lion Guard is a great addition to the Disney Junior lineup. Now, before I get into the rating for this show, I just want to say that this is my opinion now. With that said, let's get back to the video. Well, that's all for this episode of Adventures in the Pocket Portal.